Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So in today's video we have this question. We are given a rectangle, right? The diagram shows a rectangle ABCD. We have here rectangle ABCD and they say from which a square of x centimeter has been cut. The figure is not up to scale, but you can see that this is a square. They have cut this square, right? Then they say we need to find the value of x, right? Okay, so what we are given? We are given that area of this shaded part is 484 centimeter square, right? So if I want to find out the area of square, suppose I will write area of square. If I want to find the area of square, that will be equal to, if I find the area of rectangle and subtract this shaded area. So I will write area of rectangle ABCD minus area of shaded portion or shaded region, right? Okay, so if I can find out all these three things and I substitute the values, then I can solve the equation and figure out x, right? Okay, so how will I do that? We have here, what is the area of square? The side of square is x, so area of square is x square, right? Okay, and what is the area of rectangle? For that we need to know the area sides of the square, right? Rectangle, first the length of rectangle is what? 20 centimeter and breadth of rectangle is 10. This is 10 plus x plus 10, right? So this is 20 plus x. So that means area of rectangle will be 20 times 20 plus x, right? Minus area of shaded region, that is already been given, so that is 484, right? Now I will try to solve the equation. X square is equal to, if I solve it, this is 400 plus 20x minus 484, right? Now x square minus 20x, and this will be minus 84, and if I bring it here to the left hand side it will become plus 84 is equal to 0. Now I need to solve this equation and find out the value of x, right? If I solve this, I know that 14 times 6 is 84, right? And 14 plus 6 is 20. So this is a quadratic equation. So this will be, factors will be 14x and 6x plus 84, right? So now I will take x common. This is x minus 14 minus 6, x minus 14, right? This is quadratic equation. So if you are in grade 10 or above, then you should know this, right? So we have x minus 6 and x minus 14 is equal to 0. So x can be either 6 or 14. Both options are possible here. Okay. So x is either 6 or 14. So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And for more such videos, you can visit my channel. And if you like to solve maths riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.